At 11:52, I was still at the hotel, and I got a Lyft. I have Skipper's Canteen in the Magic Kingdom booked for lunch at 12:25, and I just got late, and then I left. It only took 10, 12 minutes to get here, but it's running tight. Hey, how you get here matters. You got 2 hours to cancel beforehand. I couldn't do it. So I ended up in a hurry. Ended up taking the Lyft over to the Magic Kingdom. I have lunch in 12:25, 20 minutes. It's gonna be tight. Okay, here's a real decision I'm gonna have to make. I think I got 15 minutes after my scheduling at 12:25. I think it's 12:10. Got the Magic Kingdom monorail, or I can take to the resorts. That line's huge. I won't make it. So what I'm gonna choose is, if I can get up there on that resort before it takes off. I don't know that I can. Oh. We'll see. He's gone. If I get up here in time, it'll stop at the resorts, but it's only got 2 to Polynesian and Grand Floridian stop at. Didn't make it. Gotta wait for the next one. So, there you go. Once again. Thank you, brother. Oh man, he let me in. I might make it. Hey. Okay, we're stopping at the Polynesian. Like I said, it's better than waiting in line to go directly to the Magic Kingdom. Home property is great. Value resorts are awesome. These are not value resorts around Magic Kingdom. And if you can stay at them, if it gets under $200, go for it. Skyliner, monorail, they're great. And the buses are great. If you can, if you're looking, you're still trying to decide what budget hotel to pick. I've stayed at a lot of them. 36. I've made all the mistakes, so you don't have to. Polynesian, and we're going to stop at the Grand Floridian, and then we're going to be there. And then the Skipper's Canteen is really close, not far from the entrance. Not too far. I just got to notice my reservation's in 10 minutes. That took 2 minutes. From the Polynesian to the Grand Floridian, it's 12:14. See how long we stay here. It's not going to be long. And next stop is the Magic Kingdom. So I didn't take the express route from the monorail on the Ticket Transportation Center. I got on the resort one. Stopped twice. We're at the Magic Kingdom. I promise you I'm going to be there sooner than the last person that was in line waiting to go straight to the Magic Kingdom. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. We were started in 3 minutes.
You're currently holding for further traffic clearance. Please remember to take care of all automatic doors. If you're standing, hold on to the silver handrails. Thank you.
I'm inside the park. It's 12:22. 3 minutes until my reservation. They give you a 15-minute window. Can't believe it. Hey, one person though. One person. And I was in the Lyft at 12:02. And somehow I just walked into Magic Kingdom at 12:22. How's that possible? But I got lucky with getting on the monorail. Hey, 12:24 and I made it inside the kingdom. I can't believe it. Hey, don't make the same mistakes I make. Especially on your hotel. I'm in a hurry. You don't want this to be you. I'm here. Can't believe it. Don't count on that happening, Dad. 12:33. I'm sitting down. 11:52. I was still in my hotel. Don't make the same mistakes I do. Don't book the wrong hotel beside the right hotel. How you get here matters. Don't be late to your reservation. Stop guessing. DDadBudget.com. Hotels Hidden Fees Guide, free. Links in the bio.